So hello students, see this question of IIT-JAM. Question number is 9. So in this question they have given one op-amp and they are asking that for what value of R1A2. Okay, so they are given the ratio of what, so they are asking basically the ratio of R1R2. For that the V output value will be V2 minus V1. Okay, so say this op-amp is given as a idle op-amp. Okay, so you can take the voltage at negative input and this positive terminal will be same. So if I calculate the voltage at positive terminal, say that is V plus, so I can write that V plus is equals to R2 upon R1 plus R2 into V2. Okay, now this voltage will be same like here because the op-amp is ideal. And if I apply now KCL, so I can write V1 minus V plus upon R is equals to V plus minus V output. Okay, V plus minus V output is equals to divided by R. Okay, because the current coming from here, okay, because no current is going into the negative terminal of op-amp. So whatever current is coming from here, that's the I1, that will be equals to this current I2. Okay, so say this is I1 will be equals to I2. So I can write like this. So RR cancel. So now I have V1 minus, I can take this V plus the left side. So this will give me what? Minus 2 V plus equals to V output, and V output is given to us like V2 minus V1. Okay, so minus is there, so I can write V1 minus V2. So V1 cancel, minus minus cancel, so I left with V plus equals to V2 upon 2. Now V plus value will be already calculated, so this implies R2 upon R1 plus R2, okay, into V2 is equal to V2 by 2. So V2 cancel, so this gives me 2R2 equals to R1 plus R2. And if I bring this one here, okay, so this gives me what? R2, this implies R2 is equal to R1. Okay, and they are asking the ratio of R1 by R2. So ratio of R1 by R2 will be your 1, and this is given as option 3. I think option 3. So this is option 2. Okay, so option 2. Okay, R1 equals to R2, R1A2, the ratio is equal to 1. So this is the your correct answer for this question. Thank you very much.